Somalia is a maritime nation, with the longest coastline in Africa, stretching along the Indian Ocean and the Gulf of Aden. Somalia occupies one of the most strategic maritime locations in the world. Positioned at the crossroads of Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, our coastline lies along vital global shipping routes that connect continents, economies, and cultures. For centuries, the ocean has shaped Somalia's identity as a trading nation. Today, that historic role is being revitalized, strengthened by modern infrastructure, sound policy, and renewed national ambition. Somalia's extensive coastline offers vast maritime potential. From ports and logistics to fisheries, marine tourism, and the blue economy, the maritime sector represents a key driver of sustainable socio-economic development. As maritime activity expands, Somali ports are once again emerging as engines of growth, employment, and regional trade. The Ministry of Ports and Marine Transport is the federal authority responsible for regulating, overseeing, and developing Somalia's ports and maritime transport sector. The ministry formulates national maritime policy, leads port modernization efforts, regulates navigation and vessel safety, oversees ship registration and seafarer certification, and ensures compliance with international maritime standards, while promoting maritime security, environmental protection, and international cooperation. The ministry's vision is to position Somalia as a regional leader in maritime trade and logistics, supported by efficient, innovative, and sustainable port operations. Its mission is to serve the maritime interests of the nation by developing competitive ports and integrated maritime transport systems through effective regulation, strategic oversight, and sustainable implementation. Somalia's principal seaports, Mogadishu, Berbera, Kismayo, Bosaso, and Garad, form the backbone of the national maritime economy. In 2025, Somali ports recorded approximately 750 vessel calls, led by Mogadishu and Berbera. Mogadishu Port now ranks among the top 5 performing ports in Africa, operating around the clock as the backbone of the national economy and a major source of government revenue. These achievements reflect sustained reforms, strengthened governance, and effective collaboration with port authorities and private sector partners. The ministry acknowledges the contribution of Mogadishu Alport Corporation under the Al Bayrak Group in the transformation of the port of Mogadishu. Since the commencement of its management, operational efficiency, infrastructure standards, security, and transparency have significantly improved, demonstrating the value of well-structured public-private partnerships. The ministry has also invested in institutional capacity, including the establishment of a modern headquarters, enhanced port security systems, the National Maritime Security Committee, and the Maritime Rescue Coordination Center in Mogadishu. Somalia has succeeded in strengthening control and transparency over its international trade through the implementation of ECTN Somalia, the Electronic Cargo Tracking Note. The system helps prevent fraud and smuggling, improves customs risk management. Looking ahead, Somalia plans to develop a fully integrated and modern port complex, incorporating advanced terminals, digital port management systems, efficient hinterland connectivity, and environmentally sustainable infrastructure aligned with international best practices. Somalia continues to strengthen its maritime legal and regulatory framework in line with international conventions and international maritime organization instruments, reinforcing safety, environmental protection, labor standards, and maritime security, while enhancing Somalia's standing within the global maritime community. Somalia is reaffirming its maritime identity. Through strong leadership, strategic partnerships, and a clear national vision, Somali ports are becoming symbols of resilience, opportunity, and progress. Our oceans are not only our heritage, it is our future.